So my name is Jinendra Jain and I'm from India and a final year student at JP Institute of Information Technology situated in New Delhi, the capital of India. So my Google Summer of Code project with Rocket.Chat was login via QR code using mobile and my mentors were Diego Sampaio and Jean Brito. So moving on, as an introduction, what is Rocket.Chat? Rocket.Chat is a leading open source communication platform that enables secure team collaboration through chat, voice, and video. So you can do all kinds of office communications and every type of communications on Rocket.Chat. Now, why the login experience matter? The login flow is the very first gateway. So whenever you come to any platform or anywhere, the very first thing that you do is login. And for a secure communications app like Rocket.Chat, even login and sign up or any authentication flow is extremely important. A strong login process is very important, not just for the UI or the beauty of the project, but also to very strongly authenticate the user so that there is no fraudulent practices. Now, the traditional login is there, which is basically the user ID and the password. You put in your user ID or the email ID and you put in your password, or either what you can do is that you can go through OAuth providers, that is sign in with Google, sign in with GitHub, or maybe sign in with Apple. But the problem is that it is slow. You have to manually type the credentials. You have to remember the credentials, which is a big problem in this short attention span time. Then there is password fatigue, as I told you. Then there are also security risks. For example, there's a public computer that you need to access your Rocket Chat workspace right now, and you can, in the public computer, you cannot sign into your Google, or you do not know the user ID and the password. So this is a problem that is happening with the users. Now, the idea to cure this problem is the QR code login. Now, what the QR code login basically does, it's a one scan login with Rocket Chat mobile app. It removes the need to type credentials. It is secure, fast, and user friendly. So what happens is basically if you have the authenticated mobile app of Rocket Chat inside your mobile, what you can do is just go to the QR login, scan the QR code that is present on the web, and you will be logged in instantly. There is no need to type any user ID. There is no need to type any password or any Google sign-ins, any GitHub sign-ins. Nothing is required. Only and only your mobile is required with you. It's extremely secure because we have used JSON web tokens and all the authentication procedures that is necessary. It is extremely fast, as we will be showing in the demo. And it's also user friendly. It's extremely intuitive. In fact, if you use WhatsApp, WhatsApp web actually uses a similar kind of thing where if you want to go into WhatsApp web, you basically take your WhatsApp mobile app and scan it, and then you go and your WhatsApp web is logged in. Now, as I told you, the benefits, it has enhanced security. You don't need to type in the password in a public space. It has faster login, seamless multi-device access. You can have any type of mobile. The app should be authenticated. That is the only prerequisite, and it's user friendly for global community, since in the mobile app as well as the desktop app we have language support for all over the world. We have kept the language translations for all, so everyone can access it. Now, a little bit of technical implementation. So the web client, the Rocket Chat core, is basically the React and the Meteor JS. There the QR code generation happens on the server. There is also session request handler. I will not go into the details. Then there is mobile client. The mobile client is made out of React Native. It basically does the QR scanning and it should be authenticated. And as I told you, the backend server is also integrated into Rocket Chat core. Now, there were some challenges with this technical implementation. The first of all, the challenge came was that the token exchange was not at all secure. So we had to make sure that all the tokens are very unique and it's secure. So we used basically JSON web tokens, and we used ephemeral tokens for that. So after 60 seconds, there is a timeout limit. Then there is also multi-device support. We also have to integrate the mobile client as well as the desktop client hand in hand, so that both features work consistently and together it works fine. And the UX consistency, obviously we need to make sure that the QR code is scannable and in the light mode, in the dark mode, and everything. As I told you, it is a very simple flow. The QR login flow is basically you request the QR code, as we will also see in the demo. Then you scan the QR code, you authenticate, the session is basically authenticated, and you instantly log in. And then there is the demo. So let's go into the demo. So this is a server that I have, and I have also my mobile authenticated app right here. So I just have to click the login using QR code. This is the normal login screen, and I'll just try to open my camera once if it's available. Can you see me? Mm, I don't think so. It's fine. Or maybe you can. I hope you
Now
can
we
see
can.
me.
Now we,
Okay, okay,
yeah.
cool. So I'll just show you the mobile app as well. So this is basically our workspace, that is the web client. And this particular, I hope you can see it. This particular is the mobile client authenticated. Now, inside it, once we go to the QR login, this is the QR scanner. I hope the screen is visible. I'll just check. Yeah. So this is the QR scanner. And inside this QR scanner, basically what you do is you just go into this login using QR code and you scan it. And once it is scanned, welcome, you are logged in. And it's just as simple as that. There is no need or no typings or no manual credentials typing or no sign in with GitHub. You can also use it in incognito, anywhere you can use it. It is very simple. So this is the point. And yes, in the mobile client, you instantly go to the normal page. You can just go and you can just, get the mobile off. This is the only use of mobile. And now everything is set up. You are good to go on the web client. So this was the demo. I also have this small 9-second video that I have created. I'll just show this as well so that everything is crystal clear because I was not able to show the mobile client very clearly. So yeah, this is the one. You go to the QR login. This is the mobile authenticated app. You go to the QR login in the sidebar, and then this is the QR login. You scan it, and there you go. The entire web client is authenticated and ready to go. So this was the basically the project. Now the impact and the future scope. Now as I have mentioned earlier, and I'll mention that again, that the impact is very nice because see, these things right now the attention span of everyone is very small, unfortunately. So these are some of the things that will help us to not remember the user ID and password again and again. And when you are in public place, these are some things that will really help you make the process stronger because let's say if someone is peeping into your password and he will or she will know the password, so this is a very good way. So that is one thing. Then the future scope is reverse authentication. Right now the web client is being logged in through an authenticated mobile client. We are also planning that through the authenticated web client on once QR scan, the mobile will also get logged in. So this is also one of the future scope that we are planning. And obviously it's an 100% open source implementation. The global community impact, as we know that there are so many servers running on the Rocket.Chat workspaces, everyone will be benefited, every user will be benefited. And as I also mentioned earlier, that this whole feature has been translated into many languages as provided by the Rocket.Chat development system. So I have made the translations for all the wordings and everything, so every user in the entire world can use it no matter the language. So yeah, this is the one, and this is the conclusion. It's secure, it's fast, it's modern, and I wholeheartedly want to thank the entire Rocket.Chat ecosystem as well as Google summer of code 2025 for this opportunity. My mentors, Diego Samuel and GP, for the wonderful opportunity without their guidance this wouldn't have been possible. So yeah, this is about it, and I would just love to take any questions for that.
Well, internet issues again, but I think we finish it.